I'm going to give you a piece of advice that will change your life forever for the better. 3 words. If there's anything that you want in life, anything that you're going for, here are the 3 words. Set the intention. You don't need to know how to do what you need to do. Just set the intention. When I came from Jamaica to the United States, I was 15 years old. I read something that said the average American knew about 3, maybe 4 states. That's all they've ever visited. Right then, I set the intention that I would know every single state in the United States. Now I'm 15 years old. I don't have any money for plane fare. When we came here, we were broke. Well, financially embarrassed. I had 2 pairs of pants that I'm wearing to school. But I set the intention. So that was at 15 years old. By the time I was 28, 29, I started doing poetry. At 30, I won the New Eurekan Grand Slam Championship, a poetry competition. By 31, colleges were booking me to go all over the United States to perform my poetry at their college, my spoken word. By 33, I visited every state in the United States, including Alaska and Puerto Rico. Set the intention. I had no idea how I would do this. I just set the intention. Based on the relationship that I had with my dad and how my dad treated me, I set the intention that I would be a great father. Now, my son will attest to that. The only problem is never set the intention to be a great husband. So as a father, I'm great. Relationship sucked. So now I have to set the intention that in relationships, I'm going to be great. I'm talking to Gen X. I'm a Gen Xer. And when I look at the statistics, a lot of us are struggling financially. If you're in the United States, set the intention and make the decision that this is it. You're not right now. It's June 30th. 2024, set the intention that you're going into 2025 abundant. Set the intention that you're going into 2025 healthy. Set the intention that you'll have improved relationships. And then do whatever is necessary. Do the work. But if you set the intention, the universe will guide you towards what you're looking for. Now, if it's again, when it comes to finances, let me talk about it because Gen X is really struggling and we try to sweep it under the rug and hide it. Look, the average person is working at the end of the month. They need a little bit more money. Not anything significant, maybe an extra $500, an extra $1,000. How about an extra $2,000? You could do that in this day and age with AI and technology and the internet. You could absolutely do that. I'm in Mexico and that's what I'm doing. So if you want to know what I'm doing, I'm going to link another video that I spoke about that in there. And yeah, I'll link that video in the description so you can watch it if you want to know. But you can definitely make an extra $500 a week. If it comes to being healthy, start walking more, moving more, eating less. Just do the things that you need to do in order to get where you want to go. You're just one decision away from a great life. But chances are the thing that's stopping you from doing it is the fear of what will this person think or what will that person think or I don't have the time. Set the intention and dedicate to it. Chances are we have more runway behind us than we have ahead of us. It depends on where we are. So just decide to make the intention that the rest of your life is going to be the best of your life. It doesn't have to be a struggle. The only reason it's a struggle is limited beliefs that we're still believing that we have to work hard and slave for money. I never believed that. Money doesn't have to be something you slave for. Your health doesn't have to be something you slave for. It's just taking care of the things and setting the intention to be better and start moving one step at a time in that direction. It's not rocket science, folks. Set the intention and you can have what you wish. I'll see you on the next video. If you haven't subscribed as yet, subscribe. I'm going to be giving a lot more of these pearls and gems and jewels. So yeah, subscribe. And we're going to be putting out more poetry as well. So definitely subscribe. And I'm going to be on this platform more consistently because I like YouTube. TikTok, not so much.